Namaste, I am Nidhi Prasad. I am a counseling psychologist and today I'll be talking about career counseling. जी हाँ, आज मैं आपसे करियर काउंसलिंग के बारे में बात करूँगी. Some truth, some myths related to career counseling. And why is it important to plan a career? अभी कुछ महीने लॉकडाउन से पहले मार्च के महीने में मेरे पास पेरेंट्स ये समस्या लेकर आते थे कि हमारे बच्चों को मोबाइल एडिक्ट हो रहे हैं, तो हम क्या करें, इसे कैसे रोकें. और फिर अचानक ही हम सबको एक ऐसे वायरस का सामना करना पड़ा जैसे कि आप सब जानते हैं, कोविड-19 पैंडेमिक. और इस वायरस को फैलने से रोकने के लिए हमें देश को लॉकडाउन करना पड़ा. अब इस लॉकडाउन की वजह से एजुकेशन सेक्टर में भी काफ़ी इफ़ेक्ट हुआ. बच्चों की पढ़ाई का नुकसान ना हो इसीलिए गवर्नमेंट ने और बहुत से स्कूलों ने ऑनलाइन क्लासेस शुरू कर दी. तो अब वही मोबाइल जो एक एडिक्शन था, अब वो एक नेसेसिटी बन गई क्योंकि क्लासेस ऑनलाइन होने लगी. और अब जब बच्चे 10th और 12th की बोर्ड एग्ज़ाम्स जुलाई के महीने में हो जाएंगे, तो बच्चों के सामने फिर एक सबसे बड़ा सवाल खड़ा हो जाता है, हाउ टू प्लान आवर करियर, और द ones who are in 10th, how to choose our subjects or the courses. तो आज मैं इसी करियर काउंसलिंग के बारे में आपको बात करना चाहती हूँ. देखिए, बहुत सारे करियर ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल हैं, या बहुत से बच्चे हैं जो मनचाहा सब्जेक्ट तो ले लेते हैं पर अपना मन मुताबिक करियर नहीं चूज़ कर पाते. या बहुत से बच्चे जिनके माइंड में ऑप्शंस होती हैं बट ऑप्शंस के बारे में कंफ्यूज्ड हैं. या कुछ ऐसे भी बच्चे होते हैं जिनको बिल्कुल भी आइडिया नहीं है. मैं पिछले 2 डेकेड से काउंसलिंग के माध्यम से बच्चों से जुड़ी हुई हूँ और मैंने ये ऑब्ज़र्व किया है कि काउंसलिंग, स्पेशली करियर काउंसलिंग को लेके मिसकंसेप्शंस हैं. लोग करियर काउंसलिंग वर्ड का मतलब अच्छे से समझ नहीं पाते. तो पहले मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि करियर काउंसलिंग क्या नहीं है, एंड देन I will tell you what is career counseling and why it is important. See, career counseling is not about giving general advice on courses, on careers, on colleges and about admissions. No. All this information is available on Google. Anybody can access. Career counseling is a scientific process and it gives an unbiased decision and advises. Career counseling is not a short-term process that will give you an instant result. It is a long process that takes time, effort and patience. Career counselors are not affiliated to any university or college or admission or to get you help with admission in colleges or courses. No. They will help you to reach out your full potential. So what is career counseling? Career counseling means it is a scientific process in which the career counselors uses a psychometric assessment test to assess the child's ability, the interest, your personality and your academic capabilities and skills. All these factors, aptitude, your interest, your personality, they determine your career choices. So a career counselor will assess all this in your child and then they will help you to make an informed, well-informed career choice for yourself. Okay. And with taking a career counseling, there will be so much clarity about your thought, in your thought process. You will be more confident regarding the career choice. It provides you with a roadmap for your future goals. Okay. जब आप करियर काउंसलर के पास जाते हैं और वो असेस करते हैं आपके बच्चों का एप्टीट्यूड, आपके बच्चों का इंटरेस्ट क्या है, स्किल्स, एबिलिटीज़, you get aware about your own strengths and weaknesses, about your capabilities, about your abilities, and then they match with the career options which are available. So, self awareness matches with the career options that are available, and then you make an informed choice that out of these plethora, there's Pandora box of career options which are available these days, but out of all these options, which one is right for you? Which one is best for you? You will be surprised that there was research done past few months back by a company called Mindler, and 93%, this research was done on Indian students, and the findings were that the 93% of students were just aware about 7 career options. Whereas research also shows that there are more than 250 career options available. Yes. So see, so do you think that people decide, or children decide about their career options thinking, keeping in mind their own interest, their capabilities? No. Often we have seen that career choices are made on basis of very unrealistic expectations, or no, I know it all mentality, or there is a herd, जो भी अच्छा चल रहा है या जो सब ले रहे हैं वही हम भी कर लेते हैं. That is why there are so many people, they get frustrated about their jobs. They are not happy in their jobs. They are not enjoying what they are doing. Yes, so it is very, very important to decide your career options very carefully, to choose your option based upon your own abilities and interest. Yes. In our daily lives, we take advice about if we have to buy any gadget, any car, any mobile phone, let's say where to eat, what to wear, which restaurant to go for, then why don't we take an expert advice, okay, for the most crucial decision of your life, which is career choice. हम हर एक छोटी सी छोटी चीज़ के लिए एडवाइस लेते हैं, तो why not seek advice for career decision of your life? This is the most important factor in your life, which is a long process. Yes, so keeping in mind the demand of the time, I'm very happy to announce that I've started with the online career counseling. So the ones who wants to avail, the numbers will be given, my email ID is shared, so you can call me, you can contact me via an email, you can message me, you can write to me, and we can have a Zoom session or a telecon. Counseling sessions are available. And see, one thing more I would like to add, many a times children get confused. For example, if they are sitting for any exams, let's say entrance exams like medical or engineering, okay, and they don't get through it. Maybe there are less number of seats, they are unable to make it in this exams. So a child becomes very hopeless. You know, they get into a depression. Parents become very anxious. They are stressed out. They think that there are no other options available now. What to do? So medical or engineering is not just end of the world, and there are so many myths कि अगर आपने science ले लोगे तो बहुत scope है. So all these myths can be cleared out, your doubts can be cleared out during counseling session. See, even if you have gone for a medical subjects like physics, chemistry, bio, and you're not able to clear NEET, that doesn't mean it's the end of the world. Maybe you have taken a physics, chemistry, bio because you have a loved bio subject, but then your inclination was towards medicine. But apart from medicine, there's this career which will be coming now. The researchers in healthcare and medical sectors. There's studies like microbiology, so virology, study of viruses, which will be in demand now. Then there are so many like biochemistry. Okay, each subject has a career. You have got careers out of physics, chemistry, biology, and so many others. You have so many subjects under humanities, and each subject has a separate career. So I will be talking about all these careers. Yeah, what are the careers which are in demand now, 2021? What are the skills required for those careers? I'll be talking about all this in my coming videos. But if you want to get in detail out of all these, which one is the best that fits you, for that you can take a career counseling, specialized career one-to-one individual career counseling session. So always remember, as we are born and till the time we die, so between the letter B and D, there's a letter C. That is C, choice. So life is all about making a right choice at a right time. So stay aware and stay at home. Thank you.